Let us see few questions of multiple choice types for our upcoming board examination. Question number 1. The assigning a value to the variable during its declaration. It means that if I am declaring a variable, creating a variable, say int x, what will I say if I am writing ahead equal to 7? So the question's language is assigning a value, which is initialization in the case of Java program. Let's go for the next question now. Which among the following represents the syntax error? There are few category of errors like this. Out of bounds, like division by 0, are not going to create any problem with the syntax. The problem will arise when there is a missing semicolon. So straight away, a direct question. Let's go for question number 3 now. Which among the following function will return the random integer? Although the board can also ask you to find the output based on random integers. We'll surely look for some videos, more content on my channel at the time when you refer more videos regarding the random function. For the sake of this question right now, this is math.random. So maths M is capital. It means let us go for these two options and strike off the two options which consist of MS small. Now randoms R should be small. So the option correct answer is answer number A. You can keep on typing, posting the correct answers in the chat box, what you can review later. What is math.seal doing here? The seal will going to round towards the upper limit. It means this 7.1 should be something 8. This is SQRT 7.0. So if I talk about 7.1, the seal will be 8, which is 8.0. And now let us try to find the square root of this. If I try to find the square root of this, I surely find that there is no appropriate option available out of these four. The board will take care of these category of things, and you should not have any misleading answers available in any of the 4 MCQ. So right now there's no option which is the correct option out of the 4 given in the question. So let me have the next question now. In case you need to give a proper message before asking the input from the user. A proper message before asking an input from the user. They are asking about something like this. That is a message like enter a number. And now the cursor is blinking and you are typing the answer. So when this can happen? At the time of initialization. Initialization is possible, but the question says input from the user. So answer number option A goes wrong. Parameterized input, it's not possible because it will going to take the input first. And this thing is possible. So how come it is possible? At the time when we are going to make use of the scanner class. The scanner class will going to help you to give a proper message. Let's go for the 6th one. Let me take this as 15, B as 25. So is 15 less than 25? Yes, it is. The value of 15 given here is less than 25. 15 is less than 25. It is correct. Now, what should we do with this? Shall we go and check this? No, it's not required because this is not the bitwise OR. It's a logical OR. So even if the first given condition is true, we can go for A. So the option A is 15. So the correct answer will be 15 in this case. You should try a level best not to be dependable upon the choice like no output, because there might be a chance there is no output in few questions, as you have seen in the last one, which was kept intentionally to guide you that even this thing is times of the other possible. Let's go for question number 7 now. The value after, we should underline these category of things, that the value before or after. So the value after the following code gets executed. The value after the following code gets executed. So when the following code will get executed, it will start its working from 0 and it should go till what number? 11 or 12? The loop says it should go till 11 because not 12. Equal to sign is not mentioned. So if I see the code properly, then I'll find that the loop is with these two lines. So 0 is less than 12. Yes. 1 is less than 12. Yes. Likewise, keep on writing k plus 1. 11 is less than 12. Yes. 12 is less than 12. Is it? No, it is not. Means the place of the value of the k variable I, which is 12, is that value, that place where the condition is becoming false. So 12 is that value where the condition is becoming false. So after the following code is executed, the answer is 12. At the time when we are going to end the loop, the value which will be memorized by the loop variable is the last false value. The loop variable gives the false value at the end, at the time when we are ending the loop statement. So let us go for the next question now. Let me remove the correct answer first. The option C, I mean the highlighter part. Let's go to number 8. What is wrong in the following for? So we have for written correctly. We have a declared variable. We have a proper parenthesis being opened and closed. So k plus plus is always there. No, we can write k plus plus and plus plus k both, because these are same in the case of no at the time when we are not storing anything. The variable must always be the letter I. No, it is not. We can have a variable by any name. There should be a semicolon at the end of for. They are talking about this place at the end of for. This is valid, but at the time when we want a loop to work as a delay loop. The delay loops video is there in my channel. You can refer. If we talk about this part, so here we have used comma, and it should not be a comma. What it should be? It should be a semicolon. The commas should be replaced by something called as semicolon. So if we are going to make use of semicolons at this place, then that particular part will be treated as the correct part. Let's go for question number 9. Which of these jump statements can skip the processing remainder of code in its body for a particular iteration? Can skip the code in its body for a particular loop. It is not asking you that it will going to stop the loop. It is not asking you that it will going to stop the execution of the function. Neither it is stopping the program. So sooner you find the keyword like the jump statements which can skip, the correct answer should be continue, because continue is that jump statement what will going to help you to skip the part of the loop which as per the need of the condition is not required. Let's go for the last question in the same band. Which among the following package includes the system class? This is system.out.println. If you remember, what do we write? system dot out dot print or println. In this case, let us segregate it one by one. What do we have? A system is a class. Out is an object and print or println. These two are the methods. We never write any import statement at the time when we are initializing this. We write scanner, then we make use of util. So the lang is that particular package which gets imported automatically. And when we are beginning with the Java codes, at that time we just learn with a statement like hello world, so we make use of system.out.println. So at that time we don't require any package. So this was an end for this particular video. Hope the concepts are clear. Wait for the next video, and meanwhile you can keep on watching the previous one but I already posted. Thank you for watching. Keep liking, sharing, and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.